Welcome to Gapshal Adventures. It's Gerald here, and today we will explore one of the most breathtaking places in the Philippines, Coron, Palawan. Here's a quick preview of the amazing places we visited. So the adventure begins. We book a flight from NAIA Terminal 2 to Busuanga Airport, also known as Francisco B. Reyes Airport. Touchdown Coron. After picking up our bags, we rode a van from the airport to the town proper. 250 pesos per person per way, and travel time is around 30 minutes. Super convenient kasi contact driver na to from our hotel. For our stay, we booked a hotel through Airbnb for 4 nights at 8,580 pesos. Check-in was supposed to be at 2 p.m. Pero buti na lang mabait ang staff. They allowed us to check in by 12 noon. So habang waiting, we roamed around, grabbed breakfast, and prepared for mini hike to Mount Tapias. Before the hike, we ate at Hawaiianan Grill Station, a cozy Filipino vibes, and delicious food. We ordered sinigang and tortang talong for 1,185. I'd rate it an 8 over 10. Next stop, Mount Tapias, with its famous 720 steps. This iconic viewpoint gives a stunning overlook of Coron Town and the surrounding islands. It's one of the best sunset spots in Busuanga. We took photos, videos, and enjoyed the cool breeze.
Sige nga.
Because of Typhoon Tino, our super ultimate tour was postponed. We attempted to visit Makinit Hot Spring pero close pa. So, food trip na lang muna. We found Manang's Delight and tried their Lomi and Buchi. Super sarap. Rating 9/10. Only 210 pesos. For dinner, we tried Mama's Pinoy Hot Pot and Grill, buttered shrimp, pork belly, squid adobo, mango shake for 1,280 pesos, rating 7.5/10. We finally booked the Super Ultimate Tour from Kahawayanan Tours, recommended by Miss Maningning of Kawayanan Grill. Cost was 1,900 pesos per person, including lunch. Sulit. Since the sail ban due to the typhoon had just been lifted, we started late. A tricycle fetched us from the hotel to Luwalhati Port. We waited for all 23 passengers, and by 9:30 a.m., the guides briefed us. Snorkel goggles are 150 pesos and a glass kayak is 1,500 if gusto nyo mag-photo shoot goals.
Hi, so we're departing from the Coron Port and we're heading to Kayangan Lake. We're around 22 packs on board and ito yung view. Ganyan kami karami. Sa isang bangka.
Our first stop, Kayangan Lake, arriving around 10 a.m. And wow, even the docking station was unbelievably clean. Crystal clear waters.
And then, don't forget bring a little bit money because we have a local 7-Eleven there. 7 hours open, 11 hours close. So,
Hi, so we're here at Kayangan Lake. Ang ganda ng tubig, no? Dito pa lang ngayon nasa port, wala pa kami sa mismong lake, no? I mean sa Kayangan Lake. Dito pa lang sa may daungan. Hello, kuya. So yun, oh, kita niyo yung water. Fall or free? Ayun ako. Ganda ng island, so eh. Tanda. Hello, so we're now going up. 367 steps, up and down. So may pa-exercise, may pa-leg exercise. Buti na lang ano tayo, trained ng Mount Tapias. So 720 steps. So let's go.
To reach the lake, you'll hike around 367 steps. At the top is the iconic viewpoint. Super picture perfect, but since you only had 1 hour, don't spend too much time waiting in line. Kayangan Lake itself is calm and beautiful. Though honestly, the docking area looked more magical for me. Haha, but still another must-see spot.
Hi, so we're now going to back to the boat. We were given like an hour from the boat to Payangan Lake, including the hiking and the picture taking at the top of the hill, and also swimming there at the Kayangan Lake. So just an hour for the super ultimate tour. Then we're heading back to the boat, and I think the next destination is ano next destination? Twin Lagoon? I don't know, I forgot. What are your thoughts about Kayangan Lake?
Okay.
About Kayangan Lake?
Oh, the place is nice.
Yeah,
Waters.
yeah. So,
The view is
it's not allowed to swim without the life vest. Also, think you can not be able to see anything there. Just some rocks. So, maybe in the next destination, we'll be able to see. There are a lot of mosquitoes. Not really a lot, but there are some mosquitoes. So beware of that. Oh, sorry, the water. Yes. I think it's about knee height level. This oh.
Next stop, Barracuda Lake. Same as Kayangan, the docking area's water is crystal clear, but this time, our boat docked on a higher level. And mahirap pumunta sa swimming area, lalo na dahil si Kurt hindi marunong lumangoy. Teamwork makes the dream work.
We need to go there. Ito lang ako. Doon na. Ayun tayo nga. Huwag kang mabak. May lupan tayo. Sipa ka lang. Wait lang.
The rock formations are stunning, parang ancient cathedral carved by nature.
Wow.
Fun fact, it's called Barracuda Lake because divers once found a huge barracuda living there, not because there are many. Today, sightings are rare to none, but the name stayed.
We're being called. Our group needs to transfer to the next destination, the next location.
So, in our time, going from the for ready here, this place, please can you double check all in your things?
Double check down. My phone.
You got good? Okay, alright, so I would like to take to our next stop, that is Coral Garden, Old Malwawi.
Malwawi Coral Reef
So we
Garden.
now will travel time from here, approximately 14 minutes and 59 seconds.
Okay, 14 minutes daw and 59 seconds. Munti ka na maging ano, 15. Bye.
After Barracuda, we went to Malwawi Coral Garden. Mukha lang siyang open sea, but underwater, wow, corals everywhere. Plus, we spotted clownfish protecting their anemone. Depth is around 6 meters, perfect for beginners.
Ten minutes to 10 minutes for preparing your foods. Okay, so for those who are ready, you can go to the cottage, and then for those who like to go to swim, it's okay to swim there. Then after you eat
So,
lunch, for those who want
We've
kayaking,
done at the
you can use your kayak here, go around
Malawi
this small island,
Coral Garden.
and then go. We
We're going to
have
have
a
lunch.
small beach right there. Then park the kayak, taking snorkeling picture for 15 minutes. After that, we're gonna go over there. Then the boat is parked right there. Then we park on the kayak there, and then we go to the sunken break. So later on, I explain later on. Okay.
Yeah, so now we focus for your lunch, okay? Lunch first, okay? Lunch, rocket lunch.
So we're having our
Now,
lunch.
we proceed now
Time
to-
check. It's 13:19.
Okay.
Waterproof.
Oh, careful. Ganda dito.
Ma'am, just go first. Hey, if you want to jump first, nice water here. Okay. Swimming while we were waiting. Okay, thank you. There. You jump nice. Yeah, nice. Look at the water, very clear. Clear. Okay? It's okay to jump. No, don't jump to the corals. Only there.
Ganda naman
Yeah.
ano natin. View for the land.
Fish, guys. Fish.
Lunchtime at Malwabi Island. All passengers enjoy the food. I'd rate it 8 over 10.
my friend.
Then, we kayak for about 10 minutes to reach Malwawi Beach, a mini Boracay paradise. White sand, quiet atmosphere. Wish we stayed longer.
Hi guys! So we're here at Malwawi Beach. Ang ganda rin dito. Grabe. Lahat maganda. Yes!
Nice.
Yeah, very nice.
So guys, if you want to go, that side, nice going.
Ilang minutes tayo dito, kuya? Kuya, ilang minutes tayo dito? 20 minutes. So, nandito kami sa Malwawi Beach. And 20 minutes kami dito sa beach.
Yes. Then after here, so we continue going to the shipwreck.
Oh,
Listen,
next
guys.
is shipwreck.
The skeleton wreck.
Skeleton wreck.
Look at the water.
Wow. Yeah.
Kasama tayo?
Yeah. It's 360.
Hindi man ano, malalim. Kala mo na?
Ang ganda dito. Walang masyadong. Yung ano niya, yung sand, parang sa Boracay. Ganito sa Boracay eh. So, maliit lang na area ng Malwawi Beach. Tapos, ang ganda ng sand, para siyang sa Boracay. No? Hindi siya agad malalim, kahit may...
Ay, dito na pala maganda eh.
Wow! We're heading to the skeleton shipwreck. So, I think 1,000 paddle from Malwawi Beach to that location. Meron akong taga-paddle yan.
Next stop, skeleton shipwreck. This is the remains of a Japanese ship from World War II, lying in shallow water around 5 to 10 meters deep. You can easily see the outline from above. I handed my camera to the guide since I can't dive deep, and the footage turned out amazing. Last main stop, the famous Twin Lagoon. It's called that because it's made up of two lagoons separated by a narrow passage. We paddled around for about 10 minutes and grabe, this was my favorite spot. The towering limestone cliffs, the stillness of the water, truly magical. We stayed longer here since we skipped CYC Beach and we enjoyed every second.
Ang ganda sa personal. No? Super nice. Grabe. Hi. We're here at Twin Lagoon. Super ganda. We're here at Twin Lagoon. Super ganda. Skin. So nice. So, medyo ano na yung reaction ko kasi kanina pa ako nandito. Pero, when we first came here, we're so amazed as in. Ang ganda. Pinakamaganda tong part na to, itong Twin Lagoon. And, hindi kami makadaan dun sa, di ba Twin Lagoon? So, supposedly, two lagoons. But we can cross there because it's high tide. So when it's high tide, you cannot cross the passage. So you need to like go back if you wanna go and reach the second lagoon. So yun, pwede palang tumawid, hindi pala ganun ka super high tide. And we're trying. Sorry.
By 5:16 p.m., we headed back to Luwalhati Port. Tired, sunburned, but super happy. The Super Ultimate Tour is definitely worth it.
Hi, so we're done with the tour. So the last destination was Win Laguna. And we're heading back from the Coron Island to Busuanga town proper. So that's it. Thank you.
If you want to keep watching, here's more of our Coron Town proper food trip. For dinner, we ate at Umami Kusina and OMG. Best food we had in Busuanga, around 900 plus pesos, and I'm giving it a 10 over 10. You must try the deep sea snapper in cocoa, solid 10 over 10. We also check out a really nice souvenir store nearby. So don't forget to grab something to remember your Coron trip. For lunch, we ate at Inasal Eats Co. Rating it 8 over 10. Classic chicken inasal taste. Of course, we went back to Manang Silite for their halo-halo, still 9 over 10. Finally, we were able to go to Makinit Hot Spring. Round-trip tricycle was 500 pesos and travel time is 30 minutes to 1 hour. Expect a bumpy ride because the road isn't fully developed.
Good afternoon po.
Entrance fee is around 200 pesos per person. There are 4 hot springs, 36 degrees Celsius, 38, 40, and 41 degrees Celsius. Perfect for relaxing after all the island hopping.
So, nasa level 2 na. Kala ko hanggang kiddie pool lang ako. Level 1. So ayan, nandiyan na kami sa level 3. This is 40 degrees Celsius. Ang init. Legit. O, tapos yung mga mabato siya. Mga graba. Pero kaya naman, basta mag-start ng ano, dun muna sa level 1 and 2. Yung level 3. Parang same na naman sila talaga eh. No? Hindi ako makadublog na hanggang leeg. Hanggang leeg. Hindi ako lublob hanggang leeg kasi ano, parang may sunburn ako eh sa likod. Okay, this one's 41 daw. 41 degrees Celsius. Ang init.
So, konting dip lang muna.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Ang clear ng water, no?
Bakit natin yung mga... Konti lang. Huwag na lang pilitin.
Parang hindi to 41. Piling ko mga ano to. 62. Okay.
So, I will attempt to swim here.
Wow! Kinaya niya. Dito na lang ako. Ayan o, dito na lang ako.
Okay, careful ah. Malalim baka,
Init, mami.
baka malunod ka.
Init. Okay. Woo! Ganito pala ang ano, feeling ng nilagang ito.
Hardboard.
Mami, ganito palang feeling ng bulalo.
Ngayon alam mo na. Good. Wait. Sige, go. Tuloy mo lang.
Ganito pala pag bulalo, no? May pero parang mas okay to. Ewan ko, baka nag-adjust na yung katawan niya.
Pwede ito ilagay sa baba. Ito.
Okay lang.
Baba.
Okay lang.
Patalikod ka. Yan. Nice. Wala. Smile pa kahit mainit. Screenshot na lang natin.
Okay. Akala mo hindi naiinitan. Okay. Hindi porket kaya natin we should stay here long. Let's go.
For dinner, we tried Pacifico Restaurant. Their capricciosa pizza is 9/10. And yes, we returned to Umami Kusina again. I'm rating our second dishes 8.5/10. And that wraps up our Coron adventure. We went back to Francisco B. Reyes Airport and flew home to Manila, bringing unforgettable memories. If this vlog helped or entertained you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Gapshal Adventures. More travel videos coming soon. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable journey.